Hey everybody, Mikey Wrench Mike here, video number 7 if I am counting correctly in our S55 AMG series. That's Lola right there. She just likes to keep an eye on me, make sure everything is good. Look right here. Yeah, have you seen the video where I drove to Oklahoma City and then I drove to an undisclosed location to help Randy with his MGB? Yeah, this is all the stuff that I picked up in Oklahoma City at the LKQ. $84 worth of stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do today, this is all that's been missing on the AMG. Okay, we have some headlight washers, we have the tubing that goes all the way up from the washer reservoir up to the hood, we have 2 sets of wheel liners because all this stuff is missing. I didn't get that stuff when I bought the car. I got half a car when I bought the car. So let's put this stuff on. Okay, we're going to put all of this stuff on, and Lola's just going to sit there and watch us. Hey Lola. Lola. There you are. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
We've got the car jacked sky high. Yeah, she is jacked up today. So I also have some supports under there, so don't worry about this. But we're missing some pieces. Okay, something should be sticking out right here. Okay, something should be connected right there, and the same on this side. Okay, we're missing a piece right there, and the hose, I think the hose is still good. I may have got some extra parts that I didn't really need at the junkyard, but that's okay. Okay, so we have 2 headlight washers. Basically, I didn't have to buy the washer. I just needed the nozzles. Okay, I got one nozzle. Okay, so we're going to fix that right here. We have some mysterious wires. I figured out what those are. Okay, these right here go to your turn signal. Okay, your front turn signal. I got to figure out where that goes. Yeah, what color is that? This is brown and red. Yeah, it's brown and a red one. Okay, so if any experts out there know what that is, what that goes to, that would be greatly appreciated. Okay, we also are going to put on some wheel liners. Okay, not really glamorous, but certainly very functional and really, really needed. Okay, then this is the wire. This is the mysterious wire that I didn't know where they go to. Okay, they come all the way up front. One of the hoses attaches right here, and then there's an electrical connector. Okay, so let's do that. Alright, when you want to attach the fender to the bumper, you do it thusly. Okay, this is a little slide piece. It kind of slides into place, and then there's a screw right there that goes through the top, and you can attach it so this thing doesn't come out. Basically, it slides into this little slot right here, and then you push it back against the edge, and it should work very, very easily. I've removed the tire, and I've loosened up the wheel well liner. Most people do that. Some people just try to reach in and do it without, but you got to get in here. You got to push this part right there. So because the headlight's out, this is going to be easy for me to do. Okay, so all you have to do, make sure the 2 line up right there. Okay, then you make sure this, see how this is kind of going into that little slot? It goes into the slot right there, and you push it forward as far as you can, and then you attach the back. And what that does is bring the 2 pieces together so they shall never come apart again. Yep, it's a marriage without divorce. Well, there is divorce if you have an accident or whatever, but it looks just like that. Progress continues on the S55. Look, we got a left eyeball. Yep, those are headlights from a 2003 and they're going on a 2001, so there are just a little bit of modifications that you have to do with the wiring. Let me show you what's happening, okay? This is for the directional headlights. I guess they turn when you turn. It's a square plug coming off the car, but going into the 2003 model, it looks like that. So all you literally have to do is cut and splice. Same exact colors, okay? See that? Exact same color. So you cut and splice with the old connector. This goes right here. And then from what I've read in all of my research, there are 3 connectors on the headlight. And all you want to do is ground this one. It actually fits like that. And it's the most inner part of the connector right here. You want to go to a ground. And I have that one ground to a screw kind of down by the ABC system. This one, there isn't a bolt or anything, so we're going to run it all the way up here, and we're going to ground it right there. Okay, so all you have to do, plug, and then you get to play. We'll show you what it looks like. All right, what do you think about that, folks? What do you think about that? Is that gorgeous? Is it pretty? Yeah. Let's get this out of the way. And then we'll close her up. Take a quick peek. Okay, let's do that. Okay, hold on. Hold on, we're moving the stick. Ugly grill, ugly grill, ugly grill. But look. Aha! She's looking better and better. Look at that. Lola, do you like? Lola. Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay. Say hi. Say hi to all your friends, dirty, dirty dog. All right, there it is. That is beautiful. Beautimous. All right, little. Look, this giant tree has thrown leaves all over my yard. I mean, there is a bajillion leaves, and they keep coming. They just keep coming. All right, we're calling this right here, folks, Paradise by the dashboard lights. Boom! Look at that. Okay, we're going to ignore the ABS. We're going to ignore the SRS, and we're going to ignore the check engine light. But we're going to enjoy the headlights. Okay? That is beautiful. And we have brights. We have brights, and we have regular lights. Okay, she is coming together, and she's looking pretty. All right, I don't remember how this video started because it was like 7 days ago. I don't remember what I've done until I've edited it. So I don't know how I should end it. I guess I'll just say thank you. All right, how about that? Thank you for all the likes, all the subscribes, and the next video I had a very good Samaritan stop by and give me some new shoes for the old girl. Yeah, she's got some tires. I look like crap, don't I? Oh well. Put the monkey up. There we go, folks. All right, thanks for watching. Bye!